How do you turn this into this? Well, let me show you how. Today, we'll be starting from a small amount of just 5 and aiming for the stars. 4 figures. That's right, you heard me. 4 figures. Hi, I'm Oswald. I've been trading for over 20 years and I already have over 2 million. Watch this video till the end and join my Telegram channel. There, I discuss topics that most people overlook. The link will be below and in the first pinned comment. Hey, it's Oswald here, and I've been trading for over 20 years with a 90.2% win rate. And I support myself just by trading a couple of times each day. Seems unbelievable, doesn't it? Well, let's see. The best part is that anyone can get started with just a single dollar. Don't worry, I'll break it all down for you, so stay tuned. Now, first things first, let's get the trading platform up and running. Now, to find a trustworthy broker on Forex is a headache because of all the scammers out there. So, I decided to try something else. Instead of dealing with all the hassle, I downloaded a free trading platform, installed it, and got started right away. No need to go through countless broker reviews or worry about getting ripped off. Just a download, quick install, and I was ready to dive into trading. There are 2 types of people. Those who worry about affording gas and those who ponder whether they should buy a villa by the sea or an apartment in the city center with a rooftop terrace. On my Telegram channel, folks don't stress over gas, household appliances, or their kids' education. My followers trade with me. I run live sessions every day where my subscribers can see all my trades and simply replicate them, just following my steps. It's not rocket science. Even beginners can get the hang of it. Now, the link will be in the description below and in the first pinned comment. Now, let's get back to business. Okay, all right, let's break it down real fast. I'm kicking things off with 50, but feel free to start with whatever amount you want. Now, we're setting our trade duration to just 1 minute, and for the candlestick time frame, let's set it to 30 seconds, so we can closely watch the price moves and make the smart decision. Next, let's pick the 3 currency pairs that have the highest percentage returns right now. This will help you maximize your potential rewards and make your trades more profitable. So, now the most important part, setting up your indicators. Now, indicators help us read the market trends and make proper calls. If I were a beginner, I'd stick with the RSI indicator. Many people ask me, where do I start trading? Well, if you found me, you've already started. Just follow the steps that I regularly post on my Telegram channel. You'll find forecasts, analytics, and strategy breakdowns. Many of my followers aren't even traders. They simply do what I do. After just a couple of weeks of active trading, many see decent results. If you don't believe me, check out the channel and see how everything works. The link is right there in the description and in the first pinned comment. All set now, so let's dive into trading. Let's start with the Australian dollar and Swiss franc. I'm going short, so I'll press the lower button. Why, you might ask? Well, the price hit a low, bounced back a bit, and I jumped in right at the end of that little rebound. Therefore, the downward trend is likely to continue. And we're up to 96. Now, let me tell you my favorite thing about this type of trading compared to Forex. No leverage. This means I won't face significant losses when you're starting out. Your potential loss per trade is capped at your own investment. Just 1 trade and that's it. With Forex, you can lose everything and even end up in debt. To avoid such risks, don't invest all your savings in just 1 trade until you're feeling confident. You might be wondering, how am I supposed to get substantial returns this way? You'll either start to get some returns while you're learning the ropes, or you can do what the smart folks did and head on over to my Telegram channel right now. There, you can just copy my trades. I share all my trades free of charge. You can just follow my lead and enjoy the same results. Trust me, they are quite impressive. So if you're looking to see real returns, it's an excellent opportunity. Join my channel and start trading like a pro. Now I'm switching to the second pair. I'll open it up and change the amount to 96 and take a closer look. I'm predicting an upward movement here, so let's select the higher button. And you know what? There's a resistance level, but the buyers are really trying to break through it. The RSI's bullish trend suggests that the trading upward on this minute time frame is the most logical strategy. So let's hit the higher button. And boom! Just like I thought, this trade paid off. This just proves how good analysis and smart investments lead to rewards. It's the quickest way to success in trading. Ready for the next trade? let's go for it. Here we have dirham and yuan. I'm increasing the investment to 184 and predicting a decline here. It's pretty clear that the downtrend is still going strong, backed by a solid bearish move and the RSI dipping below 30. And nailed it again. My deposit just increased up to 353. Back to the Australian dollar and Swiss franc pair. Time to up the investment again, I guess. All right, let's see. Yes, I'm hitting the higher button. The price hit a low and then bounced back up. So I'm getting it's an upward movement. There's a bit of pullback happening now, so which isn't perfect, but let's see how it goes. Great. The trade closed in my favor. Remember, in trading, it's not about the price difference between entry and closing. It's all about correctly identifying the trend. The key to success in trading lies in accurately predicting the price movements. And this time, my analysis was spot on. This method also optimizes returns when you read the market correctly. Now, up to the next trade. Now, let's focus on the Australian and Canadian dollar. I'm increasing the investment amount once again and opting for a downward position by pressing lower. Now, the chart is showing increasing strength in the downward movement, as indicated by the longer red candles. Let's suggest we're in a sideways trend. Typically, in such scenarios, the chart tends to balance the green candles' upward movements with the corresponding red candles moving downward. So let's make this trade and see where it takes us. There's one more reason why you should avoid Forex. Forex isn't just for people like us. It's also dominated by huge corporations and international banks. They can totally control the market. If some huge American bank decides to buy a ton of currency, there is no way any technical analysis can predict that. It's the reason why I, an experienced trader, stay away from Forex. Now, let me tell you about the platform that I'm using. It's for individual traders. The average investment amount here is just around 35. So, if you're looking for a more reliable and safer alternative to Forex, this platform is where you should be. The dirham and yuan are looking pretty uncertain right now, so I'm switching to Australian and Swiss pair. I'm gonna make the maximum investment of 1,000 and wait. Interesting, wait a moment. Now I'll go long here. Recently I shared with my Telegram how to make the most of RSI indicators in these kind of conditions. So here's what I'm seeing. The price had a resistance level and then entered a slight correction. However, the RSI line stayed above 50, indicating that the buyers still have control. Now looks like the asset's value will increase within the next minute. On top of that, my entry was perfectly timed. You see that? Precise analysis and calculated decisions lead us to successful trades. Now, let's switch back to the Australian and Canadian dollar pair. Adjusting the investment amount, and I'm going for higher. So here's the deal. The asset broke out of the sideways trend. After hitting the support level, the price started climbing up. The RSI backed up my predictions. The account balance has just jumped up to 3,141. This just shows how smart trading based on good analysis and reliable indicators can really pay off. Here we have dirham and yuan, and I'm upping the investment and going short. Now the asset hit its peak and is now on a downward path, so with the strong bearish impulse we've seen, a reversal with this candle seems unlikely. And there we go, another spot-on prediction. And my deposit just got a nice boost. Trading is a great way to pad my wallet. It's all about making smart moves, staying patient, and using solid strategies. The more you practice, the better you get. Let's see how much further we can take this. This time we'll have an Australian dollar and Swiss franc, sticking with the same amount. Checking out the chart. All right, I'm gonna go up. Now the small downward candle shows the rebound is ending, and the bulls are ready to take the charge again. Trading offers almost endless opportunities. But it's crucial to stay sharp and not let ambitions or stress take over. Success in trading isn't just about making the right calls. It's about maintaining discipline and managing your risks. This session's been pretty intense, with lots of good trades. It's been a productive experience. I enjoyed it. Now let's gear up for the final one, wrapping up our session with the Australian and Canadian dollar pair. Hit higher, and the price has reached its minimum and a reversal is underway. Seems I timed my entry perfectly at the start of a new trend when the RSI began moving out of the oversold zone. And my account is now at 5,901. Achieving such results is nearly impossible in Forex, especially for beginners. What a great session. Ladies and gentlemen, another amazing trade. Remember how it all started and where we are now. I know, you don't want to miss out on an opportunity like this. And there are plenty more to come from for those who join my channel. You can trade alongside me no matter how new you think you are. Hundreds of people already doing it. Just recently, I received a heartfelt message that really touched me. One of my subscribers was able to buy their mother a house with a garden after trading with me for just a year. Another managed to pay for their daughter's expensive wedding. I get messages of gratitude like this several times a week. Don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to brag or anything. I share this to show you that anything is doable and possible. If you're interested, click on the link in the first pinned comment or in the description to stay connected. Everything with me is transparent and reliable. Join us today. That's all for now. See you next time. Bye.